In front of me is Samsung Galaxy 6A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section here, called System. Now, you need to scroll again, this time to tap on Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and revert on the left. Following that, click on this section called Corrections and Suggestions and use this switcher next to Autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it off or switch it on. Quick tip, if you wanna, you can click on Autocorrection on the left, and this way manage this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. Personally, I really like it, but if you want, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!